Hello, it's Joe Wiessner, Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed property of the day, and we're in scenic Mullica Township. You see the outline there? That's 11.43 acres of scenic rural beauty. Mullica Township is known for its wildlife, its clean living, and privacy. This property is right on Columbia Road, and there's 909 linear feet of frontage on Columbia Road, and that's going to be significant. So stay with me and I'm going to explain why that's really important. You can see that it's being used currently as a tree farm. You have Christmas trees, those could still be sold, and then to the right we have this gorgeous grove of white pines. Those white pines can be dug out by tree spade, where a machine will back up to the tree, they'll dig it out, and it could be transported and replanted in another yard. And I have to imagine that those white pines bring a pretty hefty price. That's me running down the road, and you could kind of get a little perspective of how much acreage is here in this 11.43 acre parcel. Now let me explain to you what can be done with this property. You could use it as a tree farm if you'd like. You could build one single house in the middle of it, have a beautiful expanse there, surrounded by nature. But the key to this property is the zoning. This property is in the EV zoning, which is a very rare zone in Mullica Township. EV stands for Elwood Village. This designation enables you to build one house on every 2 acres. You need 125 feet of frontage, and you have 909 feet of frontage on Columbia Road. So in theory, you could possibly get 4 lots in a minor subdivision on this parcel. I called the township and I also called the Pinelands, and they concurred that a minor subdivision would be possible there. And the emphasis is on the word possible. This could be lot number 2 right here, where you would need to get your engineer to draw up the subdivision, and that would need to be submitted to Mullica Township and the Pinelands for their approval. So you have the possibility of lot 2 and an additional lot 3, because the zoning allows for it and the frontage allows for it. And this would clearly, in my opinion, be the highest and best use of this property, is to create a compound for you and your family where you could build a possible 4 total houses there. So get your engineer and get prepared to make application to the powers to be to get this property approved. And imagine your family living close by right on Columbia Road in gorgeous Mullica Township, New Jersey. This is a rare property. I don't believe that there's any other parcel available such as this anywhere in South Jersey. Make your appointment today. Give us a call. I'll set you up with one of my top agents to walk the property, and you could see how beautiful this parcel is. I hope to see you building your family dream here on this land right off of Columbia Road. And Joe Wiessner, as always, hopes to see you at the settlement table.